Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of BioStar Health. Today we are going to demonstrate how you make a pivot table and a pivot chart for a categorical type of data. In this example, we have a n number of variables which has been collected in different formats. Now here, gender is one of a categorical variable. Regarding first, we need to select the entire data which we need to select the create the pivot table. Here I have selected gender, which is a categorical variable. Go to the insert tab. There you can see a pivot table there. Click on the pivot table, a pop-up window will come. There they will ask where you want to select a table or range, which we already did. You don't need to worry about that, it's already been ranged. Next they will ask where you want to place the pivot table, but it's by default it is given as a new worksheet. Click OK, because you always go for a new worksheet because it's a haphazard. Once you click OK, go to the right side corner where you are getting a recommended pivot tables. Just click on it, and by default the recommended pivot tables with row labels and count of gender is coming. Usually, as we know, for categorical variables we are representing it in the form of percentages. Here we need to change the count as percentage. How you do that? Go to the left hand side upper part. There is something called as active field, where it's by default it is given as gender because our value name is gender. Change the count of gender into percentage. Just type percentage into that box because we need to have a percentage output. So we are not completed here, we just changed the heading only, but we need to change the calculation also into percentage. Go to the field setting, click on the field settings, and once you click on the field settings, I'll just come. Field settings, you're getting a pop-up window where something called as summarize values by and show values by. Click on the show values by, where you have different options will be there. One is no calculations, and in the drop down menu where it's written no calculation, select percentage of column total. Select that and go to the number format area. Click on the number format area where we can choose number of decimals you want to keep. Usually I have chosen to keep 0 decibels. Select that 0 decibels and click OK, and finally you give that pop-up OK, and you are getting a percentage. This is how you make a pivot table with percentages for the entire data. 52% are the females and 48% is the male. Now if you want to make a pivot chart also, just before the recommended pivot table part there's a pivot chart. Click on it, you are getting a bar graph. Beautiful bar graph will be coming. Click OK, and you are getting a bar graph also. So the entire process, our objective of today's presentation is over. And here we made a pivot table for categorical data and also a pivot chart for a categorical data. And we have already given another presentation on types of data and the different scales of its measurement. If you have any doubts regarding, please go back and see that video itself under our BioStar Health. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts and queries, please write on our comment box. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day.